Good afternoon, student. Am I audible? Hello, am I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the last lecture we studied about the parallel and the perpendicular line. How could we decide the two line is parallel or perpendicular? If there was some mistake, this is a perpendicular line. When the two line is parallel, that means their slope are same. When the two line is perpendicular to each other, if and only if their slope is multiplication of their slope is given -1. We can decide the some example related to parallel perpendicular lines. When the line with their slope are equal, are parallel. When the product of the slope are -1, then the line is perpendicular. The some example I think I give you. It is completed. Hello. It was completed or not? છોકરાઓ ભણો છો તો યાદ તો છે ને હું ભણી ગયા. Let's we take some more example to find the line are perpendicular and parallel. Hello. આ એક્ઝામ્પલ થઈ ગયો છે. ચિરાયુ
ના નથી થયો મેમ.
આ બાકી છે. એ
હા
ઉપરના
બાકી
એક્ઝામ્પલ
છે. છેલ્લે ખાલી ઓલો 3x + 2a + 1 = 0 અને 6x + 4y + 3 = 0 વાળો છે.
આ થઈ ગયા છે.
હા આ થઈ ગયા છે.
આ થઈ ગયું છે ને. ઓકે.
હા
ખાસ કન્ડિશન યાદ રાખવાની છે. લાઈન પેરેલલ હોય તો સ્લોપ ઇક્વલ હશે અને લાઈન પેરેલલ ના હોય તે બંને સ્લોપનો પ્રોડક્ટ -1 હોય. એ વસ્તુને આપણે કન્ટિન્યુ કરીને એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કરીએ છીએ. ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓન યોર સ્ક્રીન. અહીંયા કીધેલું છે the line are parallel. જો ક્વેશ્ચનની અંદર 4 પોઈન્ટ્સ આપેલા છે. એ બંને પોઈન્ટ્સ લાઈન ઉપર છે 1 by 1. અને કીધું છે એ લાઈન પેરેલલ છે તો y ની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરો. તો પેરેલલ લાઈન હોય તો એના માટેની પહેલી કન્ડિશન શું છે? બંનેના સ્લોપ કેવા હશે? ઇક્વલ. પેરેલલ લાઈન મીનિંગ એના બંનેના સ્લોપ હશે સેમ. m1 = m2. તો આપણે તો 4 પોઈન્ટ આપેલા છે, તો પોઈન્ટ નો યુઝ કરીને સ્લોપ કઈ રીતે મળે છે? ચલો જીલ, કેટલું વાંચો છો ઘરે કે આરામ જ કરો છો 15 દિવસથી? ચલો ચારમી, કોઈ નહીં, ભણાવી દઉં ખાલી તમે લોકોને, પછી તમારે યાદ રાખવું હોય તો રાખવાનું, એવું છે? શું યાર, ડિમોટિવ કરી દો છો અમને લોકોને પણ તમે ભણાવ્યા પહેલા. Okay, look at the answer. When you have a line and they are the parallel, that means the slope are equal. Parallel means their slope is equal. And we have a 4 point, a 4 point નો use કરીને we can find the slope. First point આપેલો છે this 2, આ બે point નો use કરીએ. And આ બે point નો use કરીને we can find the slope. This is minus 2y. Say x1, y1. Similarly, second point 3, 2. Say x2, y2. And the slope of line is same one. M1 માટેનો formula છે. This is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Put all the value. Y2 is 2, y1 is y. Similarly, x2 is 3, minus minus plus. I think this example already done. चलो कई वांधो नहीं, आमे 2 minus y is equal to 5. First slope is here. Using the second point, you can find another slope. Second point is 1, 0, 6, 1, y1. And second point, it is minus 2, minus 1, 6, 2, y2. And find the slope. The same formula, same 2. This is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Put the value on. Y2 is minus 1. Y1 is 0. Similarly, x2 is minus 2. X1 is minus 1. This slope is minus 1 by minus 3. Minus minus cancel. This is 1 by 3. So you should get the both slope and the given property. The line are parallels. That means their slope are same. So compare their slope. So let's compare their slope. Given lines are parallel. Means both slope are equal. Put the value of slope in the given equation. The first line slope is 2 minus y by 5 and the second line have a slope is 1 by 3. Put all the things. This is 2 minus y by 3 and it is 1 by 3. First of all, cross multiply this term. So it is 3 minus 2y and 5 into 1. This 3 multiplied with this bracket, it will be 6 minus 3y, it is 5. This 5 put in the left side and the 3y, it's the right hand side, the sign will be changed. 6 minus 5 is equal to 3y. That is 1 upon, so your y is 1/3. So this is your answer. What we can do? In the given equation, they said there are 4 points in the first 2 points are indicate the first line, second point says that this is the second line. In the relation between these two lines they are parallel. That's mean their slope are equals. So first of all, I can using the slope, I can find the using this point, I can find the slope and apply this property when the line are parallel. So using this, you can find the unknown value, and their unknown is y, and you should get the value of y is 1/3. So this is your answer. Hope you understand. Let's take the another example. If you want to write, yeah, otherwise you take the screenshot. Similarly, the next example, same property. Here, look, the 4 point and find the value of unknown x. Here, the relation between the lines are parallel, perpendicular. That means the slope of the given line is a product, it's -1. So we can, first of all, we can find the slope. Then we can put in the perpendicular line equation. So let's first point say x1, y1. This is -2, 6. x1, y1. And the second is 4, 8. It is x2, y2. Using this, we can find the slope. So m1, this is y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Put all value in the given slope. y2 is 8, y1 is 6, x2 is 4, and minus plus 2. So 4 minus 6, 8 minus 6 is 2 upon 6. This is 1/3 again. Now the other points, these are 8, 12, x1, y1. And the second point, x24, x2, y2. Using this, you can find the value of slope. And this slope, we can say it is m2. The formula are same. This is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Put the value. y2 is 24, y1 is 12, x2 is x, and x1 is 8. So 24 minus 12 is 12 by x minus 8. Here they can say the lines are perpendicular. That means their slope, product of the slope given -1. Given perpendicular line. That's mean product of the slope, it's -1. So now I can put the value of the slope in this equation because the line are perpendicular. Our first slope is 1/3 and second slope it's 12x minus 8. So this is 1/3 and the 12x minus 8, it's -1. First cancel the common term. Here 3 and 4 cancel, this is 4. Remaining is 4 upon x minus 8 is equal to -1. Again cross multiply. It is 4 is equal to -1 into x minus 8. -1 multiplied by this bracket. Minus x minus minus plus 8. This 8 moving from here, sign exchange. This is 4 minus 8 is equal to -x. -4 is equal to -x. Your minus is cancelled from both sides. X is equal to 4 and this is your answer. So hope you understand when the line is parallel, then you can use these properties, and the line is perpendicular, you can use this property. Then after this, you can find any unknown. Let's check some another example using these properties. Take the screenshot. Using this formula, you can find the slope. There's a 3 slope formula. First, when you have a 2 point and you have a line. Second slope formula if you have a line. And the third slope formula if you have a angle. Using this, anything you can find the value of slope. Let's check. Find. Examples number 2. Okay, first you write the question. I can solve it. If the two lines are perpendicular, then find the M. Write down the question. The first two questions, they have a 2 points. Here you have a line. Using this line, you can find the slope. So what is the slope formula if you have a line? And tell me the general formula of the line. Who knows the general formula of line?
Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0.
Then the slope is
Minus
what
a
is
by b.
right, very good. Let's we take the solution. Answer is we have a two line. The first line L1 and this is 3x plus 4my plus 8 is equal to 0. And the second line L2, this is 3my minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. First, all the student knows the general formula of line is it is x plus by plus c is equal to 0. Using this equation, you can find the slope and slope is minus a by b. These are the formula. So we can find the slope of first line, same one. This is m1 is a is 3 upon 4m. Your first slope. But look at the line 2. Line 2 not in order. The first is always in x variable, second is y, and third is constant. So first of all, arrange it. Your L2 is arrange. It is 9x plus 3my plus 10 is equal to 0. Then you can find the slope. Now the slope is m2. Using this formula, m2 is minus a by b. Minus a is 9, b is 3m. Minus minus plus and cancel 3m. This is 3. Minus minus plus and your slope is m2. It is 3m. And the line of first slope, this is what? m1 is minus 3 upon 4m. The both slope we can find. This is first and the second. Read the question. They said the two lines are perpendicular. That means the slope of line, that product is always minus. Given that lines are perpendicular, that means product of slope is minus 1. Put the value of slope in the given equation. m1, this is minus 3 upon 4m. m2 is 3m is equal to minus 1. Simplify. Minus 9. This is 3m. Minus 9, 4m square is equal to minus 1. Again cross multiply and the both side minus minus cancel. 9 is equal to 4m square. I want to find the value of m. So 9 by 4 is equal to m square. The square is converted into square root. This is 9 by 4. So your m is plus and minus, because square root is always gives the two value. This is 3 by 2. And it is your answer. So if you have a given 2 point, then using the 2-point slope formula, if you have a line, using the general equation of line and find the slope. Properties are same. Only two conditions are available. Line is parallel or line is perpendicular. You got it? Let's check one more example. So this example last, if the two lines is given and they are parallel, then what is the value of m? Here the line is parallel. Tell me the answer. Same scenario. Using these two lines, first of all, you can find the slope. So how many students got the answer? This line is 3mx minus 2my minus 10 is 0. Second line is 2m plus 5m plus 2x. 4my minus 28 is equal to 0. Let's I help you. The two lines. First of all, the general equation of line is this is x plus by plus c is 0. And using this equation, you can find the slope. This formula, it's minus a upon b. Your first line is 7 and this is 3mx minus 2my minus 10. And the second is L2 and this is 5m plus 2 minus 4m minus 20.
2 આવે એમની વેલ્યુ.
M is 2. So let's check the 5x plus 2. Sorry, 5m plus 2 minus 4my minus 28 is equal to 0. First of all, we can find the value of slope. Our first slope is m1. This is minus a upon b. This is minus a means the coefficient of x. and this is 3m. B means the coefficient of y. This is 2m. Minus minus plus. The both side cancel. The slope is first. M1 is 3 by 2. The slope of second line is M2. Using same formula, the coefficient of x, it is 5m plus 2 divided by the coefficient of y, this is minus 4m. Again the minus minus plus, your slope is M2 is of 5m plus 2 divided by 4m. The given condition, the line are parallel. That means the slope are equal. Given that line are parallel. That means slope is equal. M1 is equal to M2. Put the value of slope in this equation. M1 is 3 by 2. M2, this is 5m plus 2 divided by 4m. Here 2 cancelled, the both sides. Remaining is 2. So 3 is equal to 6m plus 2 by 2m. Taking the cross multiplication, this 2m multiplied by 3 and it will be 6m is equal to
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना क्या है ना मैम 3/2 અને ઓલું
something is wrong.
આ તો છેદ તમે ઉડાડ્યો છે ને
Okay, right. This is 5. लेकिन यहाँ 6 છે 6 માંથી 6 કેમ વયો જશે? This is 5m. So 6m is equal to 5m plus 2. Change the sign of 5m. 6m minus 5m is equal to 2 and your m is 2. 6 minus 5 it's 1 and this is your slope. Hope you easy to find. I give you the one example, means two example. They have the 2 point and the line equation. Using this, you can tell me the missing value. Okay, there is no more example available. Let's check another point. So the related to the parallel and perpendicular topic is over. Let's check more intercept. How could we find the x-intercept and the y-intercept? That's a very easy formula. The one hint, that's the formula. Please take the screenshot. If you want to find the value of x and y-intercept of the given line, so simply if you want to x-intercept, put the y is equal to 0. And if you want to the y-intercept, you can take the x is equal to 0. This is the formula to find the intercept. This is a simple one thing. If you want to find the x-intercept, take the y is 0. So their coordinate is x0. And if you want to find the y-intercept, taking the x is equal to 0 and put in this intercept form. Let's find the example. How can we find the intercept x and y? It's a really very easy example. This is a 1 marks MCQ, or if they are asking the combine, it is a 2 and 3 marks question. So look at the screen, the first question on your screen. First of all, you can find the slope and the intercept on the axis for the given line, and your line is here. So firstly, I can find the slope, and you all know slope of the line. This is your line, 2x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0, and its slope is m is equal to minus a by b. This is minus 2 upon minus 6. Minus minus cancelled. 2 upon 6, it is 1 by 3. So slope is given. Here, find the intercept. So first of all, I can find the x-intercept. How could it find? Look at your screen. X-intercept. That means you can put the y is equal to 0 in the given line. Okay, your line is 2x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. And in this equation, you can put the y is equal to 0. So you get the value of intercept, x-intercept. Put the y is equal to 0 in this given equation. It will be so this is 2x, y is 0. Plus 4 is equal to 0. Multiplied by 0, that is 0. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. You can find the value of x. 2x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 by 2. X is equal to minus 2. So x-intercept is always write in the coordinate form. X and y, here y is 0, x is minus 2 and y is 0. This is your x-intercept. Similarly, we can find the y-intercept. That's mean you can take the x is equal to 0 in the given line. And your line equation is, this is 2x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. In this equation, you can put the value of x is 0. You should get the value of x y intercept 2 into 0 minus 6y plus 4. So multiply by 0, this is 0, no need to write. Minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Make the subject minus 6y is equal to minus 4. Minus cancelled. Y is equal to 4 by 6. So y is equal to 2 by 3. This is your y. The equation of y-intercept is xy coordinate. Here the x is 0. Look at the x is 0. So put the x is equal to 0. And y is what? Y is 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. And this is your answer. The meaning of the intersect, that's when you just focus on these two things. If you want to find the x-intercept taking the y 0, that's when the y coordinate will be 0 and x you can find. If you want to y-intercept taking x is equal to 0 and putting the xy coordinate, you should get the y-intercept. So this is your answer. Tell me if you have any doubt. Any student have any doubt, please tell me. Here y is 0, so I can put the y is 0 here. Okay, and x is 2, so I can put x is minus 2. And intercept always written in the coordinate form in the pair of x, y. So let's you find the intercept x and y both. So some line on your screen. Let's we take first example after number 2. Second example it is. So there are the some line 3x minus 4y 2y minus 4. Let's see find the x-intercept as well as y-intercept. First, x-intercept, your line is here 3x minus 2y minus 4. Rules to find the x-intercept. That's mean you can put the y is equal to 0 in the given line your line is 3x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Sorry, minus 4 is equal to 0. Put the y is equal to 0 in the line 3x minus 2 y is 0 minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is 3x minus 4 is 0. 3x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 by 3. So x-intercept is that's mean the value of x and y, and always you can write the x coordinate first and after the y coordinate is 0. So this is your answer, my 4 by 3. Again you can find the y-intercept. That's mean taking the x is equal to 0 in the equation of line. Then your line equation is 3x minus 2y minus 4 is 0. Putting the x is equal to 0, this is 3, it's 0. Minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by anything, it is 0. Remaining term is so 2y is equal to plus 4. Sign change. Y is equal to 4 divided by minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. And your y-intercept is always write the first of all value of x. X is 0 and the value of y it's 2. This is your intercept. Hope you understand how can we find the intercept x and y both. And intercept always written in the coordinate form x comma y. To find the x-intercept, putting the y 0 in the line equation. And for the y-intercept, put the x is equal to 0 in the given line. And you can get x and y both intercept. Let's tell the answer of the case given 2 lines. Tell me the answer. First of all, you arrange this is 8 is minus and 10 is minus. Then you can find x and y intercept. Otherwise, directly you can write also. So what is the value of x-intercept and y-intercept? Tell me if you understand. So the student, please ready for the present. Number 1. Number 2.
Present, ma'am. 2 present.
Okay. Number 3.
Present, ma'am.
Number 5.
Present, ma'am.
Number 6.
Present, ma'am.
Number 7. Number 8.
7 present.
9. કેટલા?
Ma'am, 7 present.
7 present. Okay. 8 number.
Ma'am, 7 number present.
હા કરી દીધું. 8 number, 9, 10, 11.
Ma'am, 11.
Okay. 12.
12 present, ma'am.
Okay. 13. Okay. 14. 15.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 16, 17, 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. Any student? ચલો જે બાકી છે ચેટ બોક્સમાં લખી નાખો. તો આજ માટે એટલું રાખીએ. એક્સેન્ટ બાય ઇન્ટરસેપ્ટ. આઈ થિંક બધાને આવડવું જોશે. ટ્રાય કરજો બધા. Now you can leave. Today I can stop here. This is your topic, intersect.